My name is Braden Grossman. I am currently enrolled in HTC's Automotive Technology program. So one of the current projects I've been working on is this 1966 Daimler. It has a small block Chevy engine in it, so it's really easy to work on. We've done some work to it. We cleaned out the gas tanks, worked on the brakes, worked on the electrical, stuff like that.
It is a live shop. Customers from throughout the community will call and say there's cars doing this, can we possibly look at it? We will work on anything basically, so we kind of start at tires, oil changes, brakes. Those are our first year stuff, and then as the second year comes along, motor changes, transmission changes, engine overhauls, transmission overhauls, basically anything a car could need, we are willing to do to it. We go in the classroom, talk about theories and principles, how things work. So we'll probably spend an hour in the classroom every day and 2 hours in the shop. The electrical system is the ever-growing system. There's this whole wall and then another wall on the other side, and they are the various pieces of the car broken down. So it's really nice because we can get the hands-on testing. We get the wiring schematics and the voltmeters and all of that good stuff all in one shot, and they don't have to worry about messing up. You are going to get the technical certificate when you graduate, and if you want to do the associates, then you get to take a few extra classes along the way.
The beauty of this program, I think, is it allows students to work on something like this if they want. Like, my interest is in older cars, not just being a technician. I like restoring cars, that type of thing. So Mike let me tackle this project, and I just kind of went from there. It's more along the lines of what I like to do.